Everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be making chicken and dumplings. Now, I don't think I ever tried it before because I didn't really feel like the dumpling part was appetizing. And I was like, I actually want to taste it, see if it really tastes good. So that's why I'm doing it. Chicken, I think boneless too. And I just have it seasoned with my onion powder, but that complete seasoning, my chicken Montreal, peppercorn, and my chipotle seasoning. I'm going to be using some olive oil that you see right here, a little bit of flour, and that flour is going to be for my pie crust. I'm not going to be using like the flour, like the regular flour, how they make the dumplings. I'm not going to do that. However, if you want to, you can do it. I'm just going to be using some pie crust, and I'm going to use a little bit of the flour to like separate the pie crust a little bit, but also to like flour, make it like just a little bit thick. And yeah, I want it to be a little thick, y'all. I can't put me in it. No. The blue container. Inside of this tin foil, I actually have some garlic. It was like garlic separated. I put a little bit of olive oil, season it up a little bit, and put it in the oven to like let it get roasted. So this is what you have here, and I'm gonna use that to incorporate. I'm gonna use the exact same seasons that I use to season this chicken. I have some green and yellow pepper that I pretty much minced up. Go ahead and saute that too. I'm gonna be using some of my sour cream. I had half and half. I don't know where that thing is. So I'm like milky factors. I'm gonna get started. I have my olive oil, just a little bit in here, and I have it on number 8. So it's like pretty much high a little bit. So now I'm gonna get my chicken and I want to sear it. It should cook all the way. However, if it don't, it's okay because I'm gonna put it in a little bit of that liquid once I start making my chicken and dumplings. So it's gonna cook anyway. It's like that all the way through. I want it to be a little bit hotter so it make that sizzling, real sizzling sound, but it's good. Okay, I have one more. I'm just gonna wait because I don't want to crowd it up. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. I turned it down to 12.5 because I don't need to pop everywhere. It's already doing a lot of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. It's a little bit more, but it's okay. Okay, this has been about additional 1 minute, so 3 minutes in total. I'm gonna flip this over. Okay, this definitely is. I'm gonna keep this on for like additional minute and a half.
A few moments later.
Don't try to overtalk me. I'm talking about the saute. Additional 1 minute and a half, 1.5 minutes. Okay, the part that I flipped over early, I'm gonna put that. Okay, yes. Now it's more than seared out. And I'm just gonna keep this there for like a minute and then take it out and then do this other last one. Let me take them out because they mad at me. All this talking. See, like right here, it's not done all the way in, but like I said, I'm gonna put it in that liquid so it'll cook the rest of the way. Okay, what I did was the little bit of oil that I had left over in that pan, I poured it in here and just went ahead and put that in the sink. If yours not really like burnt like that, you can go ahead and still use that, all the flavors and everything. That's what I would have did to saute up mine. But like I said, it kind of like got like burned a little bit at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my, okay, I have it on medium high heat. Some of them still kind of like big a little bit, but it should be okay. I put you in the food processor, so why didn't you do it? You did it with some of the other ones, but not the other ones. And to make it so bad, I put it back in there like the big ones. Oh, they get me started. But when I tell you, you say you do it. You be obedient. Okay, it's been like an additional minute or two. I'll take this and go ahead and put it in the pan that I have with the chicken. I'm gonna come over to the pastry. It's 2 of them in there. I took 1 of them out. I'll put a little bit of flour on my hands. It's also inside here too. And you wanna, it'll help like unfold this more. I thought I wasn't gonna need the flour, but it started to rip a little bit. I know some people like they'll like make it into strip, but if you make it the regular way with flour and stuff, I seen people like make like a little dough and they'll use like a scooper and scoop it inside there. So I said I'm gonna ball mine up, set them out, make mine into like little strips and like ball it up like a ball. I'm gonna do this. I may not have to use the other one because I don't want too many dumplings like that. Who's to know I'm gonna like it? So yeah, I'm gonna ball these up. It don't gotta be perfect, and then I'll let you see next step, Lord's will. Okay, I have these balled up. Just made about 15 of them. Okay, I have this on medium high heat. Now I'm gonna put like 2 cups of my beef vegetable broth. Thank God I got you. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna use my beef broth, chicken broth. You can use that. Even if you got water, you gonna season it anyway. That's what I do with a lot of my recipes. Use water and I just season it real good. But since I got it, I'm going to use it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and season it with each one. Let's put you some in there. You don't want to overdo it because the chicken already seasoned everything, but you know, just put you some in there. Alright, this is what I'm going to put in some of that roasted garlic. Just put you some in there. I want it to be flavored up. Alright, that should be good. Go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken and the vegetables in here as well. Juice and everything in here. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to break it. Dang it, that's what I meant to do. Cut it up some. I don't know why y'all don't really remind me. Okay, so I got the chicken out real quick and I cut it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Like big chunks. So if you want your smaller, you can, but oh, mine's kind of big. Now I'm gonna take some of my sour cream, like 3/4 cup probably. That much, and just mix it in there. Medium high, and I turned it down to medium. So I don't want it to be so hot when I'm trying to put this stuff in there, and I don't want it to splash either. I'm gonna turn it back up soon, but just mix that in there. Yeah, tell me I use the whipping cream. If you want to, you can taste it to make sure it's easy to your liking, but I'm pretty sure it is. I ain't gonna taste mine. Plus, I ain't got no utensil. Now, okay, now I'm gonna put in my dumpling, aka pie crust. Move that around, not really mix it, because you don't want to break it up, but kind of like want to move it around a little bit. I'm turning it up to like medium high. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I have it on medium high. I'm gonna turn it down so because I forgot to put on some of my carrots. So I put a few in there. It's gonna take a little, probably like 5 minutes to like get soft. So I don't want to like boil it because it don't take that long for the dumplings to get done. So I'm gonna turn it down to medium and like let it cook for like another extra like 5 minutes or so. Okay, so I let it cook on low for about additional 6-7 minutes. So yes, this is how it look. Not too much liquid, but you know, still some. It's looking good, but I'm gonna see. Like I said, I never like tried it. I don't think. Of course, I never made any. I don't know. I just look at that ball of dough that's put inside there, and you just eat that. I'm like, ugh. I don't know if I want to do that, but I'm doing it today. And so yeah, I'm gonna get into it first before I eat the ball, pie crust, whatever. I'm gonna get to the chicken and it's gravy to make sure it's seasoned good. And you know I didn't taste it if you watch my video. So I'm gonna see if that chipotle season add enough spice to it. First I'm gonna get into this gravy and then this chicken. Tender and well seasoned. Okay, I'm gonna get into this little carrot. Let me see if it's sauteed enough. Still got a little crunch, but it's just done. And we season too from this. The juices in there. What we all been waiting for. For the spice, it's a little bit spicy in the back end, but not much. It's good. It's to my liking. Okay, I'm gonna get into this dumpling. It look good though, but okay. It ain't bad. What's you said? Okay, it reminds me. Okay, you know how crumble cookies. I'm not saying it's sweet or anything like crumble cookies. However, if you had crumble cookies or if you've seen it, you know some people say it's like, I guess, not baked all the way through. It's semi-baked. Well, the dough is providing like a semi-cooked effect. If I'm saying it right, like the crumble cookies house, but it's still good. Well, to me, to a lot of other people, but to other people, yeah, they complain about it. However, to some people like me, it tastes good, delicioso. So it's kind of like what the pastry's providing. Now, if you was to make it with like regular flour and stuff, I'm pretty sure it would taste the exact same way. It ain't bad though. Now, will I eat it all the time? No. I don't see myself eating dough balls like that all the time. But however, it ain't bad though. With my touch, I'm always gonna provide that flavor, baby. And that's what I did here. It is very flavorful, so what would I rate this? It's so good though, but with the taste, it's a 10. But just you have to rate it all together. It went down, but I'll give it a 9 because it's really good with the taste. I just won't eat like that all the time because I'm not a chicken and dumpling person like that. However, if a person who loves chicken and dumpling and everything, they'll rate it higher. But now it's still good though. So yeah, here you have it, y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please make this recipe. If you like chicken and dumplings, hit this recipe. That helps us.